In a world torn apart by conflict, two brothers find themselves on opposite sides of a monumental battle. Mac and Trovan, played by the iconic Tom Selleck and Sam Elliott, reunite after the Civil War, and their journey begins. What does it take to mend a family fractured by such deep divisions? As they return home, they confront an unimaginable crisis. Their family has been kidnapped by a ruthless gang led by Major Ashbury. But hope is not lost. The brothers join forces with their roguish Uncle Jack. Together, they embark on a daring quest into Mexico to rescue their loved ones and dismantle a sinister gun-running operation run by the slippery Holiday Hammond. The heart of the Shadow Riders is the undeniable chemistry between Selleck and Elliott. Their banter feels authentic, filled with humor and warmth. This film embraces the idea that family bonds can withstand even the fiercest political divides. With stunning Mexican landscapes, thrilling horseback chases, and heartwarming campfire moments, it captures the comforting rhythm of a classic Western. However, as with any tale, there are criticisms. Being a made-for-TV production, some aspects feel limited. Critics have pointed out uninspired dialogue and a soundtrack that doesn't always fit the mood. The plot is simple, lacking deep complexity, and the villains don't quite captivate. Yet, despite these flaws, it's an enjoyable watch. While not a major film, The Shadow Riders marked the emergence of Selleck and Elliott as a beloved duo. It played a role in the 1980s revival of Louis L'Amour adaptations, keeping traditional Western storytelling alive when the genre was fading. With its heartwarming themes of family and reconciliation, it resonates with anyone who loves classic Westerns. What can we take away from this film? Family ties can indeed bridge even the widest of political divides. Honor, the movie suggests, is often straightforward. Despite facing impossible odds, the Trovans exemplify resilience. From a filmmaking perspective, it highlights the importance of casting chemistry. Selleck and Elliott breathe life into a script that could easily fall flat. The tone of a film must align with the story it tells. And limitations, such as tighter budgets, can inspire creativity, urging filmmakers to lean into character development over spectacle. In conclusion, The Shadow Riders may not be a legendary Western, but it's a charming adventure led by charismatic actors who embody the genre's spirit. Sometimes, a Western needs nothing more than heart, humor, and a good horse ride into the sunset. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Make sure to check out our playlist, Sam Elliott, the Stoic Soul of the Modern West.